If you are interested in Ethereum both as a trader and a long-term investor, then this video might be something for you, because in the following video I will do a price analysis and a price prediction of Ethereum against Tether USD on Binance, also providing you with one sell area, a buy area, and one potential buy or sell area. So welcome back, glad to see that you have stayed. As I said earlier in this video, I will do a review on this analysis I have just done on the price of Ethereum on Binance, but Ethereum is one of the most traded cryptocurrencies, so it doesn't really matter on what platform I analyzed it. We are on TradingView. I also posted this analysis, so you can follow it and see what it does in the upcoming days and weeks. I will leave the link down in the description. So we are on the 4-hour time frame, and in this analysis I use trend lines, 4 different exponential moving averages, each with a different period, which are 200, 150 and 28. Also one Fibonacci retracement, which goes from here till here. And some key levels, which are the light gray boxes, and key levels are practically boxes of support and resistance together drawn in a key level. So in this analysis I am going to highlight 3 areas I found, 2 being I think quite long-term interesting price areas, where the first is this sell area, the red box, and the second is this green area, which is the green box here. So let's start with the green box. I think, to be honest, I am quite bullish on Ethereum. So I think it will break out upwards, and that Ethereum will continue to be in an uptrend. But if it does go down, depending on whether it breaks this trend line or whether it breaks this key level, then I believe this green box can be a very good buy area. It is based on this key level, which is very strong, and also based on the 200 EMA, which is very strong too, on the daily time frame actually. So you can only see that when switching to the daily time frame. Then I also have this sell area, and so yeah, this green area I think could be a very nice trade with kind of a wider stop loss, but it would be a very good hold area, so a long-term trade or long-term buy. And here I have this red box, which is the sell area based on kind of this trend line, but especially the key level right here, which you can see with your eye. I haven't drawn it, but it is quite strong. And also the 4000 psychological key level, which is pretty major. So when the price gets here, I don't suspect that the price will actually drop down from here a lot, but I do think that this could provide a very nice and quick short trade. So again, this is only a trade area, and I wouldn't advise you to sell from here or enter a short trade and actually ride it all the way down, because I don't think that when the price gets here it will actually go down by quite a lot, because it has already went up by a lot right here. So that indicates that there's a lot of upwards momentum and bullish momentum. And then I think the most interesting part for the short term is this purple box. And I deliberately made it purple because I think this box can either be a buy area or a sell area, very much depending on what price is going to do next. So we are at the 4-hour time frame, which means that this box is actually valid for the rest of the week. Although I will explain a little bit more on what you can do with the confluences this box is actually based on, because the biggest confluences boxes based on is the trend line crossover right here. So here we have a descending trend line, here we have an ascending trend line, and I think here at the cross could be a very nice trade. A very nice trade if you want to trade it down, if you want to place a short trade, and a very nice trade or hold area if you want to go long from here and buy Ethereum from here. So basically, on what it depends that whether this will be a buy area or a sell area is that when this trend line breaks, so the descending one, there's upwards momentum, and this will actually become a buy area in my opinion. And when this trend line breaks very clearly, so for example the price goes up until this point, then this will become a sell area. Again, I wouldn't advise selling for the long term, but it could be a very nice sell day trade. And then also for a little bit of the longer term, for if you're watching this a little bit later and you have missed the price reaching this area, or it's already past it, so let's say the 18th of September, then I think, let's say that the price is somewhere over here. I think this could be a very interesting buy area as well. I will quickly highlight it. Right here, so that would be based on this key level and trend line, and I also suspect that one of these EMAs will be right there. So that's another one for if you are watching this video a little bit later. So again, I strongly advise to follow this analysis on TradingView, because there you can actually see all these drawings and you can look around for yourself, and you can also test the validity of my analysis, because you will see real time what the price is doing within this analysis. So the link is down in the description. And having said that, we have reached the end of this video, of this review of an analysis I did. If you have any questions about this analysis or questions regarding other topics in cryptocurrency or finance, you can leave them down in the description. And I will make sure to answer them as soon as possible. But as for now, that is the end of the video. I hope to have helped you with the analysis of Ethereum, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.